What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Jacelyn and welcome to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to be testing out two different styling methods. I'm going to be experimenting and seeing which side looks better. So one side I'm going to be styling while wet, while on the other side I'm going to be styling while damp. So I wanted to give this a try and see which way my hair styles better and see which way my hair lasts longer, if it lasts longer when I style it wet or if it lasts longer when I style it damp. So I'm going to be doing my hair into two different sections so you guys can see which one gives me the better results. So if you guys are ready and anxious to see, then just keep on. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and part my hair down the middle. This is going to be the damp side and then this is going to be the wet side. I already went ahead and damped my hair and detangled it, so it'll be a little bit more dry by the time I get to this section. But for the wet side, I'm going to go ahead and part it section by section and really wet that section to make sure I'm styling it when my hair is completely wet. Just wet it really good, that way my hair is soaking wet. Alright, so now this section is really wet. I'm going to go ahead and use the Hold Me Softly Style Balm, and I'm just going to use a little bit, this much for that section. I'm going to add a little bit more product because I'm not really hearing that squishy sound. Add about that much more. Now I'm going to go ahead in with the gel, break it in. And then use a diamond brush to style. And just scrunch. I really want to make sure that my hair is really saturated. We can really tell the difference between both sides. Just add a little bit of gel. I'm just going to add about that much of gel for that section. And I forgot to mention, I am using the Uncle Funky's Daughter Curly Magic Curl Stimulator. You guys already know this is one of my holy grail gels. It really does a great job of holding my curls. You can really hear that squishy sound when my hair is soaking wet. I don't hear it that much when my hair is damp. When I style my hair damp, I don't hear it as much, but I hear it so much more styling my hair like this, wet. Alright guys, so just from styling my hair soaking wet, I can tell a few differences. So right now I can tell that my curls are clumping a lot more because my hair is so wet. I do feel like I had to add a little bit more product than I usually would when I style my hair damp because I felt like the water was soaking up the product really quickly. So when I added the more product, I just felt like I was weighing my hair down. So that's one thing I noticed. And it's really wet. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and soak up some of the excess product that I may have added on my hair. You can use a microfiber towel or you can use a t-shirt, and I'm using a t-shirt just because I have so many laying around. And I'm just lightly pulsing so I can get any excess product that remains in my hair. So now let's go ahead and move on to the damp side. So I'm just gonna wet it a little bit. That way it'll be more damp than dry. I'm gonna go ahead and do it the same exact way I did the wet side. I'm also gonna be using the same exact products for both sides. I already know that on this side, I would probably be adding less product because that's what my hair is telling me to do. Like I can feel it when my hair is telling me not to add so much product or when it's asking for more product. So and now I'm gonna go ahead and start with the diamond brush. Guys, here we have it. My hair is side to side, and looking right at it, first thing I noticed is that the damp side is definitely a lot more voluminous than the wet side. The wet side did wear my hair down a bit because, you know, I did add more product because the water was soaking up the product. On this side, I didn't add as much product because I was able to feel it on my hair. So less product and more volume. All right, so which side am I liking as of right now? Right now, to be honest with you guys, I am liking my damp side here. All right, so that is just the update for today. I'm gonna come back tomorrow morning and see how my hair looks and see which side looks better. Guys, so here we are. Refreshed my hair. Looks so much better than it did before I refreshed it. One thing I noticed right off the bat is that the damp side has a little bit more volume than the wet side. Both sides still have pretty much the same amount of frizz. Actually, the damp side has a little bit more frizz than the wet side, as you guys can tell. I still have pretty nice defined curls. So on the damp side, my curls are, I have a few pretty defined curls and then a few wavy curls as well. My hair looks pretty moisturized on both sides, and this side has more volume. So all in all, both sides look good. I personally like the damp side better just because it gives me more volume. So you guys, let me know which side you guys liked better. Let me know if you guys have tried this before and what your results were. So that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Also, you guys, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. If you have yet to subscribe, what are you doing? Hit the subscribe button down below. My little face icon will pop up right there. And most importantly, do not forget to turn on your notifications. That way you guys do not miss out on any more of my videos. I will see you guys next time. Bye, loves. Mwah.